Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you lifting or jacking points. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2019. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so right now I'm on the front left side. I will turn on even the flash on my phone so we can see it better. Now first I will show you what the owner manual says. So front jack location is on a sill flange of the vehicle's body and is located 6 inches 150 millimeters from door edge. And here is even the picture, right? So what you have to do, if you see this cut area here, you want to measure 6 inches towards this side, so that's gonna be around here. Now if we go under the vehicle, I hope you'll be able to see this. Now this cut area is right here and you want to go 6 inches from here. That's gonna be around here, and I believe this is actually the marking here where you're supposed to lift it, but to make sure you might want to measure it. But here it is. So once again, 6 inches from this this cut here towards this side, and then just under, and you will place your jack onto this thin rail. Okay, and now if we check the rear jack locations in the manual are between a pair of down-facing tabs on the sill flange of the vehicle's side body. Okay, now I will try to record that as well. Okay, this is quite easy here, so it's gonna be, you see, between this marking and this marking, so in between those two, this is where you will place your jack or jack stands. Yeah, on some other vehicles it's a bit easier to spot it, especially on the front end, but this is where you're supposed to do it based on the owner's manual. Okay, and now I will also show you your jack is supposed to be in the trunk area just behind this cover. So you have these two black tabs. You want to turn them to unlock position on both sides, and then you just want to pull this towards yourself and your jack will be here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.